Achiever, Best in Writing, Batang Manunulat, Eager Beaver, Friendly Neighbor, and Determined Kid awardee. To be followed directly by Mandiquez Sophie Ido. Ito po ay kanyang twin sister. She is also a Young Achiever, Best in Writing, Batang Manunulat, Golden Heart, Prudent Worker, and a Collaborative Kid awardee. Narvaez Farina Dream Witizo, Young Achiever, Eager Beaver, Kinder Body, Determined Kid, and a Brave Soul awardee.
Dili mo. Sarapan si Dili mo. Cute. Cute tumawa eh.